What's up, Charlie? My name is Kwekwaye, and this is Ghanaian photography. Have you ever tried using LED lights for a portrait session? In this short video, I'll take you through how I use an LED light for a portrait session. LED lights are easy to carry around, very portable, and they consume less electricity. So if your bills have been high lately, maybe you should try using LED lights for your sessions. Or if you're a baby photographer, you shoot lots of babies most times, you don't want to use strobes, flashes, because they create this startling effect that would make the kids, how do I put it? It makes them unsettled. With the LED lights, there will be no flash. What I'm using here is a very portable one. This is what it looks like. It's fabric, so you can just remove it like this and then place it. It comes with a diffuser. Same way, you can take off the diffuser and then put it back. It's easy to fix or dismantle, and the carriage is very, very light. Our model for today is AC. Shall we have AC around? All right, what's up, AC?
Cool.
Are you ready for this? All right, let's get it going. So we'll have AC stand somewhere here. Good. So this light is very versatile. It's used in the way you use your normal strobe light, the placement and everything. Just that this is a continuous light. So the good thing about it is, as you place it, you get to see the effect it's having on your subject. Unlike the strobe that you would have to take a test shot before you get to see what's happening. So just like that, we take this round, and as we take it around, we see how it's shaping her face. Yeah, I've placed this on a boom arm. It usually doesn't come with a boom arm, but as usual, you can configure it the way you want. So we'll place our light here and then take a test shot. I'll be using the Sony A9 Mark II with a Sony 85mm 1.8. The trick with using continuous light or the LED light is that you're going to use a high ISO. So you would want to kill all the ambient light around you. Now I have done that. The only light we have on now is a video light, and then this being the only light having a huge effect on her. Now let me turn it off. So this is how she is without the light, and this is with the light. The good thing about this light is it comes with a remote control, so you can use this to increase or decrease the intensity. So I'll take a quick headshot, then we see the outcome. Now my settings are ISO 640, f2.0, and shutter speed 1/160. So with that, this is what I'm getting. As you notice, there was no flash. This is what makes the LED very, very good. Okay, so this is giving me some shadows to the side, which I'll introduce a V flat later to cover up. So as I said, the same way you maneuver your strobe light is the same thing. So if you don't want too much light falling on the background, or you want to feather it, like I've done it here, so we just take one shot, and this is what we have. So we are having some shadows on the right side, which is her left. So I'll introduce the V flat right here. Are you okay? Good. So what the V flat does is it bounces this light off and then throws it back on her. So let's take a shot with the introduction of the V flat, and this is what we have. Beautiful. So we can still feather away the light so it's not too bright on her. Then we take another shot, and this is what we have. So this is quite darker. It's a bit darker than the previous images. So we'll move the light back on her, And then we take another shot. Okay, so now that we have our light setup and our settings, we'll go ahead and then start with our portraits. So let's take a couple of portraits. So just go back one step for me. One more step. Good, it's okay like that. So let's place our light here. So I'll go ahead and then take some portraits of AC. All right, AC, give me some. Yes, so yeah, that's nice, something like that, good. So just place your weight on one, yes, like that, something like that, good. Yeah, that's lovely. So just keep it up. Good. So let's have that. Yeah, the lights is a bit too harsh, so let me feather it. Okay. Yeah, it's going well. Eyes here. Good. No, chin down a bit. Good. And then give me your eyes. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's keep it going. All right, so let's take. Yeah, that's not good. Like that. Hold it like that. Yeah, that's perfect. So just good. Okay, look at me, like face me straight. Yes, like that. Good. So tilt like towards, like turn your body towards. Good, like that. Yeah. Then you can now cheer your. Yes, like that. Good. So put this hand in front. Yes, something like good, like that. Yeah, good. Yeah, stay like that. Guys, I believe you've seen the results and they are awesome, right? If you're looking at upgrading your portraiture game, get some LED lights. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.